What is outline color property? An outline color property represents CSS property that we use to set color of the outline. Like a color for outline color property, we can use RGB value colors, hexadecimal value colors, cell value colors, or predefined CSS colors. Okay, let's see some examples for this. Okay, for this part I have already prepared simple HTML document structure. Our HTML document has head and body, and inside of body we have just one div with some simple text. This is some simple div inside of it. Okay, and inside of head we have just title for this HTML document. I save this document like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. This is our index web page, so let's open it. And this is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, what I want to do. So first, inside of head, let's define style block where we're going to define all CSS styles for this HTML document. Inside of style block, I want to select our div. Let's define the declaration block for it. So basically, with the div selector, I will select our div from the body. And for our div, I want to apply outline color CSS property. Okay. Like color value, I will use some RGB value. For example, set something like RGB 240, 50, 220. Okay, let's save our changes for now and let's go back in our web browser. Let's refresh it. Okay, so you can see that nothing has happened. So why is this? Basically, we have applied our outline color property, but we cannot see it. Okay, to solve this problem, let's analyze our web page. So let's click on right click. Let's select inspect. So now on the right hand side, we have structure of our HTML document. So let's expand head. Let's expand body. Inside of body, we have our simple div that we have defined. So let's click on it. And down here, you can see that we do have outline color property with some color, but we cannot see it. So why is this happening? Well, explanation for this is very simple. If you want to apply outline color property, you need to define outline style property first. You can use any style that you want, but I will use solid. Sorry, it's solid. Okay. So let's save this change. Let's go back in our web browser and let's refresh it. And voila. Now we can see our outline color property. So basically, solution for our problem is you need to use outline style. You see, if you want to apply outline color. If you want to change color, you can simply click here, and from palette of colors, you can choose any color that you want, or you pick one from here, something like this. Okay. And you just need to copy that new value from here and replace your original color here. Please remember to put commas between your values. Okay, let's save this. Let's go back in our web browser and let's refresh it. So now you can see that you have applied new color for your outline color property. Okay, also instead of RGB values colors, you can use hexadecimal value colors, something like F3D000. Okay, so this is some nice yellowish orange color. So let's refresh our web page. And now you can see that you have applied new color like a hexadecimal value color. To change that value, the process is the same. From palette of color, you just need to choose color that you want, and new value can be copied from here, and you can replace your original color. Also, instead of hexadecimal value colors, we can use ADCL value colors as well. Let's set 120 for saturation 100% and for lightness 50%. Okay, let's save this. Let's go back in our web browser. Let's refresh it. And now we have our new color that is set like ADCL value color. Okay, process of changing this color is completely the same, just need to choose color from palette of colors, and new value can be copied from here. And also we can use predefined CSS colors like a color for our outline. So if we set something like this, you can see when we refresh our page that orange color will be applied like a predefined CSS color. Please be aware of, if we click on a predefined color, from palette of color we'll get hexadecimal value color. So basically, to find some appropriate color that you want, you probably will need to Google available CSS predefined colors. Okay, so basically this is how we can use outline color property to set color for our outlines, so feel free to play around with this.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.